Finding your balance between managing multiple cloud ecosystems or optimizing data center assets remotely can be a tough task. Climate change remains the greatest global challenge we face today. Given its high energy demand, 45% of total IT carbon footprint is caused by data centers across the globe. Investors, stakeholders, and policymakers now consider environment, social, and governance measures as a significant priority to protect businesses from potential risks. As a trusted partner to the industry, Unity One Cloud addresses all these issues in one go. With our sustainability solution, you can monitor and manage your carbon footprint without hampering the productivity of your core business. The problem is that reaching carbon neutrality is extremely difficult without visibility. Hence, Unity One Cloud Sustainability Module offers clear tracking and mapping your journey to carbon neutrality. Our smart recommendation engine also helps businesses achieve carbon neutrality based on their energy consumption. Organizations can now visualize, monitor and manage real-time KPIs, like the device's net carbon emissions, total power usage, and their physical and virtual assets in data centers and edge locations across geographies from a single Unity One Cloud dashboard. Unity One Cloud benefits businesses by analyzing carbon emissions of their end-user devices, physical devices, IoT, mobile devices, public, private, and edge cloud infrastructure. Additionally, we offer a unified interface for graphically visualizing dashboards and the carbon footprint of your IT assets in mobile network devices. Another advantage of being our customer is accessing customized carbon reports to meet ESG norms and frameworks. Get a modern IT infrastructure with net zero carbon emissions while visualizing, monitoring, and managing your entire IT ecosystem. Unity One Cloud, a unified multi-cloud management platform.